is a specialized machine for processing small-size stirrups. It is equipped with a new straightening system. It can automatically perform straightening, sizing, cutting, and bending processes. It is a multifunctional, all-in-one machine, capable of producing various stirrup shapes. It only requires one person to operate. The graphics database can be pre-installed with over 500 graphics. It has added double rebar bending, bidirectional bending, and special-shaped bending. This makes the equipment more comprehensive and efficient. The straightening machine's straightening accuracy is standard and precise. It has a reasonable design and an attractive appearance. It is an ideal choice for high-speed rail and other construction projects. The operating process is as follows. 1. Place the required coiled rebar on the payoff stand. 2. Straighten the 2-meter-long coiled rebar head and thread it through the horizontal straightening mechanism. Thread it through the feed roller of the feed mechanism. The horizontal straightening mechanism is then installed. The pressure roller is slightly tightened. 3. Press the feed wheel tightly against the coiled rebar. Manually feed the rebar through the vertical straightening mechanism. Allow the coiled rebar to extend slightly beyond the blade edge. 4. Manually trim the outlet. 5. Draw the pattern and set the parameters. 6. Start the machine to produce finished rebar.